All right, good people. This is gonna be the shortest one yet, I think. Maybe the shortest one yet. I just recorded I think it was 38 minutes of a lot of, changes and fixes and writing, actual writing, and I showed you guys what I did in Greenville, and I'll show you that again. But basically, I did not have the right microphone on, so all you see me doing, and I was gonna post a video, but I was like, no, I can't do that again. I did that twice. It's my fault, and the thing is, I should have known. I should have known because I did this last week, and I deleted the video. So that's my fault. I'm gonna show you guys what I did in Greenville. I worked on this story, and I just did a lot of work on this story, but I just deleted the whole video because you see everything in the purple. This is everything I wrote in Greenville last week. Anyways, let me show you the videos I made in Greenville. I forgot to bring my computer, so I had to work on my my company computer. But y'all hold tight. All right. So this is video one. Let me turn this up a little bit.
Don't tell anybody I'm on it. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Can y'all hear that?
As you can see, this is my company computer. Don't tell anybody I'm on it. A cup of coffee right there. I just got finished brewing. And these are my twin beds here. So what happened is what had happened is I got called out to work out of town, and I did not bring my computer, so I'm gonna have to put everything on a thumb drive. I don't have any music, y'all, and this is what I look like this morning. So yeah, that's what's going on this morning. This is not gonna be a long video. I was going to that noise you're hearing, that's the heater. I was going to try to set up some kind of stand behind me, kind of like, so you can see like so, but I don't have a stand, so this is gonna be a very short video. It's just gonna be an update to let you know that just because I'm out of town, don't mean I stopped writing. And forgive the mess on the bed, y'all.
Oh God.
Yeah. So this is Bajillion 141, I think, of 142. I can't remember which one it is. But as soon as I get some coffee in my system and some water, I'm gonna start this process off. It don't stop, y'all. It don't stop. I'll add this part to the story later. Anyways, y'all be blessed out there. Till next time, this is Anthony L. Kelly. I'm out.
Okay, so it's 3 videos in total. Let's go to the next video, y'all. Hold tight.
This is what I got. All right. This is what I got done. I think I started at 5 something. It's 6:35 right now in the morning. This is all the work I got done this morning. I'm about to go downstairs and get a little breakfast. So it's let's see, 633 words, 2 pages. I got this done in a little bit less than an hour, and I'm not typing fast. I hadn't looked over it, so it's 1,000 mistakes. I'm talking 1,000 mistakes in 633 words. So I hadn't looked over that all, but you see all the little red wiggly lines there. And I did this in a hotel in Greenville, South Carolina. Anyways, I thank you all for stopping by. I need to shave. This is what writers have to do. If you're a true writer, you'll write anywhere. I don't care where you're at, you'll write. It's what we do. We gotta do it. Nobody else is gonna write for you. But you got all these stories in your head, so you gotta get them out. Anyways, I got all this on the thumb drive now. This is my work. As you can see, I just happen to have I got plenty of thumb drives, but I got my little coffee machine right here, bottle of water. I'm about to go downstairs and get something to eat now, so thank you all for stopping by again. This has been Bajillion 141, I think. Hit that like, subscribe, share, comment. This is Anthony L. Kelly. Till next time, y'all be blessed. I'm out.
All right, let's go to the next one.
Gentlemen, it is April. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is April 11th. I got my coffee right here. I got my iron bowl. And guess what? Guess what's on the screen, y'all? See the thumb drive in there? Work computer again. This is Bajillion 141. I'm back in the hotel, y'all. Same hotel. Night number 2. Very, very, very long day yesterday. I did about 14 hours yesterday, 15 hours. I was all over the place, all over Greenville, and then I had to go to Columbia and then come back to Greenville. So tired ain't even the word, man. I don't know what this is. And then I just got an email. I gotta stay in Greenville today to do 2 jobs. Got an email saying I gotta go back to Charleston because an instrument needs my assistance over there in Charleston. So that may have to wait until tomorrow. But MUSC Charleston, it's a big hospital, so we'll see how it works out. Anyways, I'm not gonna waste a lot of time talking. Again, this is Bajillion 41. I think 141. We hope. And this is how we're doing it. I'm just making little short videos to show you guys what I'm doing in the hotel. Got my work phone, my work computer. Don't tell anybody I'm on my work computer. And I made a video about Candace Owens yesterday, y'all. Y'all check that out. If y'all don't know who Candace Owens is,
I've since deleted that video.
In the video. And there's other people out there that I feel a certain kind of way about these days. Certain black people. And, of course, you got certain brown people, too, that fall into this category. What I call just whack. That's what I call it, whack. Anyways, I got to get to work, man. I got to get to work. Hit that like. I'll be back in tomorrow, I guess. We'll see. Till next time, hit that like, leave a comment. This is Anthony L. Kelly. I'm out.
All right, I'm going to show you guys what I did today. I guess I don't even know, man. It's like I said at the beginning of this video. So this is where I left off. But you guys, I apologize again. I deleted. I didn't delete. I didn't have any sound whatsoever. So everything in the purple. Everything in the purple is where I left off. Not where I left off, but what I did in Greenville. But I did write some things before that. Didn't have any sound. I didn't want to come on here and post a video with no sound again. But you can see I'm at 28,000 words, 471. 28,471 words. If you look at the bottom, y'all can't even see that. Y'all can't see it. But anyways, this is it. This is Bajillion 142. This is I had a video. It was 38 minutes long and didn't have any sound. So I'm going to leave it right here. Y'all be blessed. Be blessed. What is this? Contemplation. Why is that not spelled right? Oh, I know why. I know why. Hit that like. Check me out. Till next time, this is Anthony L. Kelly. I'm out.